Menteri Ketenat jengok kai bak polling do hakisngi balang lak penbena baka sorkar jela kan nya trelang bat ka sorkar Japan man pelong ya ka cherry blossom arjar pusau. Habakan sekilat patai gebor baling do ulong bakane kedai ke jingai jingmut ke bala ai da u ambassador Japan sha India ha ka pot bo lawan jengok ya kanong bak Shillong House nem arjar pulai.
Launched the official calendar of Cherry Blossom 2024, highlighting the various activities and events that will take place during this year's festival. The highlight this year is that we are also collaborating with the government of Japan, and there will be separate space allocated for the government of Japan to showcase their various activities in the various sectors where the country has been successful. Apart from Cherry Blossom, the department is finalizing a list of events and festivals. We will take some time because these events will be, some will be at the district level, some will be at the state level, and some will be at the village level, meaning respective villages where such proposals have been made. So we will be finalizing this calendar and then I will come back to you with the details once that is done. See, criticism is always there in whether the government performs or does not perform, but the fact of the matter is you will realize from the sheer scale of today's conclave, the hundreds who turned up at today's conclave is a testimony that tourism is their bread and butter, is their source of livelihood, and Meghalaya, being the music capital of India, can only offer the best to the rest of the world through these festivals. And it is not one way, it is not just us inviting people over to Meghalaya. Our artists, our musicians are also traveling the world, showcasing what Meghalaya has.
And how much the government is planning to support?
We yet to finalize the allocation, but we will be investing in a manner that would also see joint support from the group which will be headlining the various events, and also there will be corporate sponsors.
What made the government bring Japan? As you mentioned, they will showcase some of the tree or whatever.
No, this was a suggestion made by the ambassador of Japan to India when he had visited us last year. He was impressed by the similarity of the cherry blossoms that are grown here with those of Japan, and he'd like, therefore, Japan to be a part of this experience. It amounts to a kind of an exchange between Meghalaya and Japan.